Damn, we just got back from our trip and look at this from bumper. You might hear my voice a little different. It's like I'm coming down with something, whatever, but damn, look at all these bugs though. But I got something to show you guys, a little surprise. You ready? Hold up. Don't look yet. Don't look. Wait for it. And voila. Guess we got our wheels back on the car. It is amazing. We took, I forgot how many hours trip. It was like 6 hours, something. I don't know. We went on a trip with the car. We did like close to 350, 400 miles, I believe, something like that. It felt amazing. Just look at this back shot. Hold up. Just look at that. Single exit. We got that fitment back. Wait for it. Look at that. The car's dirty, so look at that. Oh my God! Wow! Ah, that is beautiful. All right, before anything, what we're gonna do is real quick, we're gonna open the hood and check our fluid because I did change the axle so I can do the trip. I changed the axle. I bled the clutch and I changed the oil. We're about to see. The car has 237,000 miles, and we're gonna see how much oil it took on that road trip, and if everything else is okay, like the fluid level, everything's cool, whatever, we're good. We are back, guys, and we're getting started on the car. But I'm just gonna bring you guys along to what it is having a 6-piece swap car, taking trips. It was so smooth, I'm telling you guys, but let's go check that out, and then we're gonna wash the car, clean it up, so it can look good the rest of the week. Not gonna lie, first thing first, I'm really curious about the oil. It's still full. It didn't even burn that much oil. Look at that. All right, let's clean it up, right? Clean. Just put it back. Take it back out. You guys see that? Hold up. Right there. Look at that. Well, don't spill it. Look at that. Still good. Next step was right here. Last time I took a trip, my slave went out. Couldn't shift the car, so I have to like throw it into gear all the time. I didn't show you guys, but we did get a solid mount. I forgot to tell you. So this is a solid torque mount from the top.
Previously.
This is bad. Look at this, guys. Like, it's all disconnected. But we're gonna go solid mount in the front, solid mount in the rear. The other torque mount all the way down there, we're gonna do solid mount. I don't think this one will be solid mount, but we still gotta get a new one of these just because this has done way too much work. But we're gonna change this one out. So after all that hammering, a whole bunch of cardboard boxes, messing up this little thing right here, we finally got it in. It feels like plastic, but it's not plastic. It's like polyurethane, whatever you want to call it. It's start with the P. You guys can Google that. All we gotta do is put that little, like a metal piece right here. Goes in here just like that. And then we're gonna put it on the car. It took me 2 days to do this. And I was so over it, I'm like, you know what, I'm not even recording. I'm just gonna show them the finished. Honestly, just hammer it in. With one of these, I took chunks off and everything, so it's crazy. But here you go, guys. A solid mount. That's from Red Lion Racing. But yeah, we got a solid mount here. Now everything shakes in the car. We gotta get the other ones, but the car did great and the gas mileage was still good. If you guys wanna see when I do things, follow me on Instagram at RealGMaxine. And you guys will see when I post, like, you know, little trips or here or there where I'm going, pictures, videos, reels of the cars. Oh guys, by the way, this is my splitter. Have you guys seen it? I'll post a picture of my splitter right here. Yep, this is my splitter. It's still good. All I gotta do is take this off and then take my lip because it broke. Message me here and then we can talk about it where else to message me, or I don't know. But it's for sale, guys. Just let me know and I will sell it to one of you guys because I'm going a different route now, different design.
kilometers later.
Man, I just don't catch a break with this car, bro. Not that one, this one. Listen, we changed the axle. We did a whole bunch of maintenance to the motor and things like that. Well, we took the trip, the car was good. But guess what? My exhaust fell off. Whoa, can't tell now. Let me see. Can't, cause I kind of lifted it up. But this broke. Where is it? The little weld that goes to that. So it was banging there. It was banging here. I think it caught even here. Look. Let's see if you guys can see it. Right here. Let me see. Look at that. Only thing holding it, I think, is like that hanger. Where is it? Where's that hanger at? That hanger. Look at this shit. What the hell is that, bro? We got this JB Weld JB Weld metal straping kit. It says right here, exhaust, tailpipes, whatever. So what we're gonna do is, I'm not even gonna explain it because, oh, okay, I'll try. So we're gonna put it has like two holes in the back. I don't know, the car just came like that because it knew we were gonna put an exhaust, but it has the little screws right here. So we're gonna put that on, and I guess this goes. I'm just gonna explain it once I get under the car. Let's jack up the car so we can have more space. Put this thing right there, and let's try to fix it ourselves, guys. All right, car's jacked up. Next step, we're gonna use the jack to jack up the exhaust, and I don't know. Let's see. So this is what I'm talking about. Got one here, so I'm guessing we put it up, we should be good. Basically, metal piece, we unwind it, we put it around the exhaust like that, and it should hang it up. Oops, shade just got caught. Bro, I got that idea from, like, I think it was a Tomei exhaust on a 370 that goes, it wraps around the exhaust and hooks up and lifts it up. So instead of having another weld, this is the cheapest way I can find until we fix the exhaust. Because I don't know if you guys know, over there, I want to get it re-welded because the last people, they didn't do a good job with, like, the size of the piping. And nah, I want perfection, not some BS. So works for now. First thing first, let's see if it doesn't even work. All right, quick little update. Using this to make this hole a little bit bigger so the screw can fit. It worked. It freaking worked. So we're gonna use the same bolt, and then next thing we know, we're gonna use it like, where is it? Like that. We're gonna hold it on so this can hold up the exhaust. Right here, everything's perfect. Put a little rack so it won't scratch on my exhaust. But moment of truth, all right, I'm gonna show you guys. Here it is. Doesn't really move much. So I put that bolt up here. This one right here acts like a tightener, so it tightens this right here. So hopefully it holds. It's not that bad. You guys can see it. If it does hold, I'll get something else. I want to look for a good one, like a legit good, like I'll measure it and get like a, I don't know, one from Tomei or something. Moment of truth. Let's let it down. What? Did I just fix my exhaust without welding? Yo, hold on. Oh, this is good. All right, how's she looking? Not bad, right? I think the gap is good. How's a little angle? Whoa, that's fire. And I think it's gonna be better in the other one because they were just gonna re-weld it. So the reason I didn't go is because they're, I work too busy, blah, blah, this and that. And I'm like, you know what? I'm just trying myself. Damn, as you guys can see, it is raining, but it's clearing up. Hold up. Oh, look at that. Well, it's been raining like every single day, so the car is super dirty, but guys, what the hell is this? What is that? I think I melted the crap out of my bumper. Is it? Oh, it is. We're gonna have to fix that. Damn, so I guess the exhaust touched the bumper. And look at that. Damn, that sucks. Ooh, it'll be sick. We run that carbon fiber thing. Like, that goes like that. Oh, ooh. We'll figure something out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's it. That's all I got. So stay tuned for next video. It's gonna be a really good one. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment, and share the video so we can go and boost this baby. But nah, that's all I got for you guys. So remember, God is good. Put him first always. You guys are blessed. So don't even worry about it. Don't stress it. You guys are blessed. God got you. But I'm gonna be out. Peace. By the way, I always do this shot because this is one of my favorite shots of the car. Like the wheel, like there's just this whole thing, the exhaust, like yeah, but deuces.